right. I should leave this home. Hello, Sharma ji.
Hello, namaste.
Namaste, Sharma ji. I need a home in rent.
Oh,
Can you give me?
yes, I can.
What is the amount of that?
The amount of the house is at least 5,000 rupees.
Son, can you give me can you pay 5,000 for a rent? I will not pay any 5,000. We can pay. Why?
If she will go now.
Yes, mother, we will pay. Yes, they can pay.
And you have to stand at least 1.5 hours in public toilet line.
And you have to stand half an hour, 1 hour in public bathroom. Yes, they can manage.
And the room does not have any windows.
And the room does not have any windows. Yes, they will do that. They can manage. Mother, please give me phone. Wait.
And at morning, water will come at least 1.5 hours.
And at morning, water will come only half hour. Mother, please give me phone. My son is that much excited. He wants to talk with you.
Hello?
Hello, Sharma ji, we don't want a home.
But why?
Why you cut the phone? Sharma ji will be upset. I don't know.
Mother, you are going. Not we.
Yes, you forgot in this between the conversation that this home is in my name. And I was thinking, now I'm so old, so I should give you this property. But thank God I'll not give you this property. Sorry, mother, we were just joking. Don't do drama in front of me. Get out from my house. We were just joking, mother. Please, don't get out. Sorry, mother. We will not do this. Get out. Just get
The moral of the story is parents should not transfer their property at least they are alive.